the 4 o'clock position.
Daming solar.
About 300 meters.
아이고. 알았어, 이따가. 너 이따가 알겠지? 너 이따가 알겠지? 알았어.
Iyak talaga ako, naisip ako. Inuutos-utusan niya ako, kadawag ko, tinatapon-tapon ko. Kilit na luto.
Di ba? Same tayo nagaganyan. Hindi na kayo na-stress sa bago niyong tent.
Ay, hayaan ko siya.
망치 그렇게 잡는 거야?
몇 쪽?
이준 물어봐. 이준 알아?
너 들지도 못하잖아.
둘도 있어. 나도 둘도 있어. 어떡해.
했다.
오, 거기 앉아서 발은 올려도 해야 돼.
아, 좋다.
Inayos mo naman to kanina. At parang walang effect.
아니지.
Bagong ganito dalhin ko.
의자.
물은 엄마가 따와.
너무 착해 보이네. 우리 어디요? 왜 이렇게 착하세요? 오늘 살았어?
너무 좋다.
Tanggalan namang ano sa loob.
무거워.
Ayan, may nalaglag na dito. Yung dryer.
Ay, magdariban ka na tawa.
Binili ko yan. Kasi umuwi kami ni Eugene.
Oo.
O, tamang-tama, dumating kahapon.
왜 그렇게 웃어? Why you didn't give it right away?
Baby, it's like the
주세요.
princess now.
Bagong bili mo din.
Oo, ay matulog kayo dyan.
Ay, oo. Baka dyan mamaya. Nakakihit at hay. Baka atas.
umuulan na naman. It seems like it's gonna rain again. Hello, princess! Baby!
Ng kaldero?
Sige, sige.
Riko. Baga kasi siya. Uwi, buka. Alis buka. 6:30 yung ano niya eh.
Kayo na lang kuha.
Tapos po akong pinilas. Oo. Ibang butang lang. Umikot sang lang. Sama. 15, 16 ba yun? Tulog sila kasi.
엄마 말 잘 들어.
Andalo. Umuma.
예. 아빠 말 잘 들어. 그때
Upaya ko rin. Idin ka ka. Kasi si Ego. Idin apa dahil na ko.
너 누가 났어?
Apa.
어?
Time check, it is 2:41 in the morning. We had to clean up the kitchen after dinner, do the dishes because we don't want to wake up with the dirty dishes waiting for us. Skincare time, I usually bring my skincare everywhere I go. Good night, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. Time check again, it's 5 a.m. I was awake, with a surprise, only woman knows. I decided to take a shower, a hot shower, because I know that will make me relax. This bathroom is really clean and it's really bright. I wasn't scared even if everyone was still sleeping. After shower, I went back to the tent and you know what? I'm still sleepy. I'm going to sleep again. But at least I feel fresh and I can sleep well. Hello, princess. But I always make sure, the zipper of the tent, I always tie it so that princess cannot open and escape. It was already 7 in the morning. I wake up with cat on my feet. I didn't know she was sleeping there because in my house she always sleeps next to me on my shoulder. Hello, girl. Look at ya. It's already 7 in the morning here in Korea. I already feel the heat. Summer here is really hot, so yeah, it's time to get up because we don't have electric fan here inside the tent. And of course, my son is still sleeping. But by the way, my cousin and the kids aren't here yet, but we will pick them up later today. My cousin has to work on Saturday. That was Saturday, today in this video. So my cousin was at work, and the kids also went on a field trip, field trip. That's why they're not here. And you know that my cousin is the chef. During camping, she's the one who loves to cook, but this time she's not here. Who's gonna cook? Well, it's me. I'm not a good cook and I don't have confidence, but I can make sure they don't get hungry. So here's the kitchen. Look at that. It's really clean. No dishes, no dirty dishes waiting for us. I love this kitchen shelter. We call this shelter. It is tall enough for us to walk around, and it has windows around it, and there's also a screen so that bugs don't come in. Yes, of course, Princess is with me. I'm gonna cook breakfast. I feel like having coffee, but it's already hot in this morning. I don't feel like having coffee. I'm just gonna have some water. And I think I'm gonna make a kimchi fried rice for the kids and some vegetables. I think they're still sleeping. Alright guys, thank you so much and we'll see you on the part 2.